Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a hot topic, how to swap USDT to SOL on Phantom Wallet in 2025. If you have been looking to make this swap but are not sure how, you are in the right place. Let's get started. First off, important to note that you cannot directly swap USDT to SOL within the Phantom Wallet itself. But don't worry, I will guide you through the steps using a crypto exchange like Binance or Coinbase. Step 1. Head over to your preferred crypto exchange. Binance or Coinbase are great options. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and sign up. Step 2. Once you're logged in, navigate to the trading sections, look for the convert option. Here's what you do. Select USDT as the asset you want to convert. Search for SOL as the asset you want to receive. Confirm the conversion and wait for it to propose or process. Step 3. Now that you have your SOL, it's time to transfer it to your Phantom wallet. Go to your account on the exchange and find assets. Locate SOL in your list of assets and click on withdraw. Open your Phantom wallet app, tap on SOL and then tap on receive to get your wallet address. Copy this address and paste it into the withdrawal form on your exchange. Final steps. After confirming a withdrawal, sit back and relax. Your SOL will arrive in your Phantom wallet shortly. And there you have it. You have successfully swapped USDT for SOL and transferred it to your Phantom wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy trading.